Some of you may recognize this, some of you may not recognize it, but let me explain that this is an aerator, a lawn aerator. And all it does really is punch holes all over the lawn. So your lawn ends up looking like a Swiss cheese or a pegboard, little holes all over. And what that does is it allows moisture and the fertilizer and air to get down to the roots. So the roots aren't jammed in there, breaks them up a little bit, makes little holes all over. Actually goes down into the soil, takes a round plug, all about the size of your little finger, takes a little round plug of dirt, yanks it out and throws it up in the air. So now you're left with a little hole, little holes all over. Much, much better to achieve what you want the aerator to achieve. It's a much, much better job. And I noticed that this year when I put it away that the tips of these cutting tubes are getting beat up, getting worn. As these edges get flattened, maybe they hit little stones or they're just going into soil, so they get worn, they get bent and so on. And it makes it much more difficult for them to cut through the soil. If you sharpen them, they break through the soil. Quickly pop the tube out onto the next hole. And you can see that the end of it, looking right on the end, you can see there's a kind of bent, it's worn and it's wide, and the side as well is bent and worn. Those three edges, all three edges need to be sharp. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's very simple. You need a pair of safety goggles. Safety is always very important. Just ask your wife. And you need an angle grinder. I've tried several things. One time I actually tried filing with a file. What a nuisance that was. Another time I tried to use my Dremel. Semi-successful, but it took forever. A good angle grinder, if you're careful with it, does a great job. You just have to be a little bit careful because it's so easy to burn the metal. If you burn the metal, and you know you burned it because it goes black or blue on the tip, if you burn it, it makes it very, very, very soft. And so the minute it hits anything hard in the soil, it's going to bend right away. Anyway, it's a very simple process. You start this, you do three edges. Watch. So now if you take a look at this, you'll see that these three edges, the two sides and the bottom, are actually quite sharp now. Now, not sharp like a, with these sharp like a butcher knife, that'll make them again fragile and they'll bend very easily. But you want to take the bumps and the bends and the flat edges off so that you can picture if this hits the soil, it's actually going to cut through. In fact, I checked the instruction manual for this particular aerator, and there's nothing in there at all about it. And it wasn't until I took a look at it myself that I happened to notice that they were getting dull. Obviously not working as well as they should. Anyway, maybe that's worthwhile to you. Hope it is. Take care. ALEC Peirce at the Ranch. See you guys.